Hi everyone, may I introduce myself to you. My name is Keerthi studying 9th MV in Saibaba High School. Now I would like to tell you about the basic introduction of human heart. The heart is located in the chest between the lungs, behind the sternum and above the diaphragm. It is surrounded by the pericardium and its size is about that of your own fist and its weight is about 250 to 300 grams. Its center is located about 1.5 cm to the left of the mid-sagittal plane. Protection. Pericardial is a layer of connective tissue filled with lubricating fluids. These fluids, called serous fluids, reduce the friction within the pericardial sac and protect heart from the potential pathogens. The production of these fluids is controlled by the epicardium and parietal pericardium and also controlled by the ribs heart layers. Number 1. Epicardium, outermost layer of the heart wall. Number 2. Myocardium, middle layer of the heart wall. Number 3. Endocardium, inner layer of the heart wall.
It gives me immense pleasure to introduce myself to you. My name is Rishitha of class 9th from Saibaba High School. Today I would like to tell about importance of circulatory system. What does the circulatory system do? The circulatory system is made up of blood vessels that carry blood away from and towards the heart. Arteries carry blood away from heart and veins carry blood back to the heart. The circulatory system carries oxygen, nutrients and hormones to cell and remove waste products like carbon dioxide. These roadways travel in one direction only to keep things going from where they should. What are the parts of heart? The heart has 4 chambers, 2 on top, 2 on bottom. The 2 bottom chambers are right ventricle and the left ventricle. These pump blood out of the heart. The wall is interventricular septum is between 2 ventricles. The 2 top chambers are right atrium and left atrium. They receive blood entering the heart. The wall is atrioventricular septum is between 2 atria. Blood flow from left atria to the left ventricle and through valves into the aorta. The atria is separated from the ventricle by the atrioventricular valve.
It's pleasure to introduce myself to you. My name is Sanhika of class 9th in Saibaba High School. Now I would like to tell about internal structure of human heart. RA receives deoxygenated blood from superior and inferior vena cava and coronary sinus. LA receives oxygenated blood from lungs through 4 pulmonary veins. Wall of inferior vena cava, wall of Eustachian, wall of coronary sinus, wall of Tabacin. No walls in pulmonary veins and superior vena cava. RA and LA pours the blood into respective ventricles. The opening of auricles into ventricles is guarded by walls. Walls helps to maintain the unidirectional flow of blood. Left AV valve is called as bicuspid or also called as mitral valve. Right AV valve is called as tricuspid valve. Both ventricles have rough inner walls. RV pumps the deoxygenated blood through pulmonary artery and LV pumps the oxygenated blood through pulmonary aorta. Left ventricle wall is 3 times thicker than the right ventricle wall, as left ventricle wall has to pumps the blood to all parts of the body and right ventricle wall has to pumps the blood to only the lungs. The opening of pulmonary artery and aorta has semilunar wall to prevent byward flow of blood.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself to you. I am Sanhika Afnan from class 9 studying in Saibaba High School. I am very happy to express my view on importance of circulatory system, that is, importance of heart and disorders of circulatory system. First of all, let me explain about importance of circulatory system. Heart. Heart is a vital organ. It is a muscle that pumps blood to all the parts of our body. The blood pumped by our heart provides us with oxygen and nutrients it needs to function. Now let me explain about disorders of circulatory system. And the first disorder is hypertension. It is the condition when BP is higher than normal. High BP leads to heart diseases and also affects the vital organs like brain and kidney. And the second disease is coronary artery disease, often referred as atherosclerosis due to deposition of calcium, fat, cholesterol and fibrous tissue which make lumen blood vessels narrow. And the last disease is angina, also called as angina pectoris. Its symptoms are acute chest pain due to not enough supply of blood to heart muscles, more common among middle-aged people and elderly.